Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel here. Today we're going to take a look at a soap from Detail Co. They call it their Softwash, which is their neutral soap, which is this guy here. Again, new product to me, not new to the market. It says this is a pH neutral car wash designed to provide superior lubrication and clingy foam that won't fade in your wash bucket. Add 1 to 3 ounces in your foam cannon for desired foam level. Add 1 capful to your 3 to 5 gallon bucket for a hand wash experience like none other. I will mention that I already mixed up in my foam can. I'm using the Grills this time. I put 60 milliliters in here, so I have 2 ounces in there. And I believe they changed the directions on here. Let me just check real quick, because I was looking at this earlier. Yeah, so here's the thing. So even though it says on here, add 1 capful to 3 to 5 gallons in your bucket, on the website it says add 1 to 2 ounces to your 3 to 5 gallon bucket. I'm going to add 40 milliliters in here and kind of just play around with it. So I'm washing the Impala, so it did rain here. And I'm trying to get some of this road grime off on here. So I did a pre-wash with some Alka-Hest APC, citrus APC. And now I'm just going to foam it with Softwash and get my bucket. And I'll show you what this looks like. Actually, I need to go get wash pads. So I'm going to put 40 milliliters of product. You can see the color of it matches almost the label. It's a little light blue in color. Has a good scent. I'm just going to pour some in my bucket. Actually, I'm going to go grab some wash mitts here. So let's go over there and grab some wash mitts. I'll bring you with me. And then we'll foam it onto the car. And we'll get straight to the contact wash, because I've already done the pre-wash portion of it. I thought I had wash mitts. I came unprepared. So let's go walk to the garage here, and I'll just grab I'll grab my wash mitts here. Kind of flip this over and kind of just talk along. So yeah, again, it did rain here. I think I'm going to take the auto fiber mitts here and kind of cycle through them. But yeah, it did rain here. If I can get these here. And so my dad actually parked underneath a tree. And so right now it looks like the coatings failed. It just didn't. It's just covered in a bunch of road film and whatnot, and whatever came down from the trees. That's one of the things to kind of keep in mind if you're going to be washing. I'm going to throw probably all the mitts in here. If you're going to be parking underneath a tree, you're going to mask the hydrophobics of your coating. And that's one thing to keep in mind. So let me go ahead and flip you around, because I'm actually going to put the foam cannon attachment on here, and we'll foam this as we go around. So bear with me as I kind of put this on here. I'm going to adjust the pattern. Okay. So let's go ahead and get this. I had you guys point it to the sky. I should have showed you the performance of it. So yeah, right now it looks like the coating's masked. I'll go ahead and start from the back here. So that's actually with 60 milliliters of soap in there. That's pretty good foam. I gotta get fit in these tight quarters here, because I have all these cars in the driveway. So you can see it's not super thick right now. It's got a little bit thin consistency, which actually is not bad. I actually do like that kind of foam. I don't need it super thick. And I did measure my hardness of the water. You guys are probably going to be, it's 250. So I tend to get good foam with a lot of products on here. Again, doing this with one hand is a little harder. Yeah, if I keep spraying like right here, you can see it gets a little thicker foam. But again, real good foam out of this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight to the contact wash. So let me take this foam cannon off here. I'm gonna put that here for a minute. Because what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna pour the rest of this mixture in my bucket. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run water through my foam cannon just to get any soap out of the straw there. So that's all I really do to clean my foam cannons here. Okay, let's go ahead and foam this up in the bucket. So let's go ahead and just wash the car section by section. And I'll bring you along just to kind of show you a quick little demonstration here. Again, in the bucket, real good quality suds in here. And let's go ahead and wash this as it's starting to kind of come off the surface. But again, the surface was wet because I had just done the pre-wash. And we'll just talk about lubricity, which is, lubricity on this is really good. I can tell you that much. I didn't want to go that low, but that's okay. Again, real nice. I'll just go ahead and finish this front piece here, this front clip. So we're going to see how this this coating is holding up. It's 3 months already. I should have started from the top. It's been 3 months already since I've had the Jade Jade Obsidian Graphene ceramic coating on here, and it was doing good. Again, I think it's just covered in just seems like it's covered in a bunch of stuff. Again, my dad parked underneath a tree, and so it tended kind of, again, that'll mask the hydrophobics of a coating. So we'll see if this soap has enough cleaning power to kind of cut through that initial layer. Okay, so the benefit of these is you cycle out, and then let's put them in my other bucket here for now. As you cycle them out, once you're ready to switch over to a new wash mitt. Okay, so I can wash the sides here. So the lubricity of the mitt is real good. No issues there. And actually I can wash these two doors. And you know, the pre-wash actually cleaned the majority of the dirt on here, so again, the benefit of doing this foam rinse foam is I'm not spreading dirt or anything around. On the surface. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. And we'll wash this top of this trunk lid here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the another mitt. I don't think I picked up, yeah, it's kind of hard to see if there's dirt on this mitt. It shouldn't be squeezing over my wash bucket. So I'll grab another one here, and we'll clean off this side here. And then the other thing I want to mention is Seaquartz D-Light did not do well on all this chrome plastic trim. It's gone. I mean, literally it failed. So like this here, it failed. Not a fault of the coating because nothing's really bonded to it. I think I washed the glass already. Nothing's really bonded to that surface. And that's just the way it goes. I've had no coating that's done anything or survived on that type of surface yet, and I don't think I'm ever going to find something that really does well on that surface. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab the last mitt. Maybe I'll grab another mitt. Put that one in there. So then you get the little the block party here, and what this is for the lower sections here. It's not super dirty. A little bit of dirt. You can see the dirt right there on the edge. That's what you don't want to spread around on your car. Actually, I need to get a second one of these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it like so. So I get the clean side on the top. And I'm just going to use the clean edge to clean that part. Like I'm not even putting pressure on that other piece. And you can see I picked up a little dirt on that edge. So I just have the lowers. Let's just go ahead and clean this rear piece here. I'm going to go over and clean the plastic trim. And picked up some dirt on here, so I'm going to flip it over to the clean side. I'm just going to use the clean edge. I actually could have went and grabbed another mitt, but I think that's good enough. Okay, so let's go ahead and rinse this off. Put that in there, and we'll see how if this restores the hydrophobics of the coating. I'll rinse the hood off here. And you can see once I break through the residue of the soap, the coating's brought back to life. And so that's with a pH neutral soap. That goes to show you that you don't always need to use like a 3 pH wash system. It's just masked with road grime. So you can see all that chrome stuff right there. That plastic chrome has no hydrophobic properties whatsoever. So it's kind of a bummer, but you know what I do have on hand, which I just made a video on here, is I have easy beads. Let's go ahead and spray some on here. Just do a quick little mist on there. And let it set up here. So while that's setting up, I'll rinse this side. So you can see D-light is completely gone. Let's go ahead and rinse this piece off right here. Not bad. You can say that just Easy Beads doesn't really bond to that type of material. But it made it a little bit more hydrophobic on there. So that's kind of where I'm at with this coating. This coating is doing fantastic. Got 3 months in. Let's rinse the top. That jade coating is pretty darn hydrophobic. That looks freaking amazing. I just want to show you guys what this looks like. So I just want to give you guys a quick little update on the Jade coating. This is 3 months in, and I want to give you guys a quick look at the Detail Co. Softwash, which seems to be doing, I mean, it worked good. I mean, good lubricity, cleans well. As you can see, I brought my coating back. I didn't show you the hydrophobics on there, but it was masked. Looked like there was nothing on the surface. You can tell it does rinse clean. Yes, I have to eventually, it doesn't rinse as clean as some other soap, meaning I have to rinse it off like a few seconds longer to completely get that soap residue off. Again, it still rinses clean because it's not leaving protection on there, but you're going to keep that in mind that it is going to take a few more seconds than some other soap, like a Car Pro Reset rinses off cleaner than this. I think Clean by Pan's another one, and Armor Supply Shampoo Plus another one that rinses just a little faster than this, but this one still rinses good. Cleaning power again is really good for pH neutral soap. It's definitely a product that can compete with like a ADS Shampoo Plus, a Clean by Pan, and I forget the price point of this, but I think it's very affordable for what you get, which I think playing around with dilutions, I think the dilutions I use are really good for foam. Again, 60 milliliters in the foam cannon and 40 milliliters in the bucket. I think that's a good combination. I think that's gave me exactly what I was looking for. If you want to cut back on the foam in your foam cannon, try 1 ounce. And again, I had about 700 milliliters in that Griot's foam cannon with water. And that's where we're at with that. So again, I just want to give you guys a quick little update. 3 months of the Jade Graphene, and of course we're using the Detail Co. Softwash here. And again, the coating's looking fantastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about the soap if you've used it. Let me know what you guys think with the coatings performance from what you're seeing. So far, I see no issues with it. Any issues thus far with failing. Car Pro D-Light again didn't do well on the plastic chrome trim. I have not found a coating that does good on that type of material. Paint coatings, I've tried even Car Pro Deluxe, which is a trim and wheel coating didn't do well, and then D-Light didn't do well on there either. Just it doesn't bond to that surface. But I do want to get rid of those chrome mirror caps and put painted ones on here. So I'm eventually going to do that at some point with this car, just because there's too much chrome on here. I'm trying to de-chrome this as well. My dad doesn't like all that chrome either, so that's still a work in progress. But again, that's all I have for you guys. Let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you next one. So take care, everyone.